Bitcoin is now an ever-popular form of cryptocurrency that has recently reached an all-time high on the market. How has Bitcoin been able to achieve this? Welcome to the TheBizPage channel. In this video, we will be looking at the creation of Bitcoin and how it has been able to grow over the years. If you haven't already, then be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Now without further ado, let's dive in. Let's start off by looking at the creation of Bitcoin. On the 18th of August 2008, the domain name bitcoin.org was officially registered. In October of the same year, a link to a paper that was authored by Satoshi Nakamoto was titled Bitcoin. It was stated as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system and was posted to a cryptography mailing list. In January of 2009, Nakamoto worked on and employed the Bitcoin software as being an open source code. The identity for Nakamoto currently remains unknown. On the 3rd of January 2009, the network of Bitcoin became established when Nakamoto mined the starting block of the chain. This starting block was also known as the Genesis block. Within the block was a coin base, with a text reading, "The Times, the 3rd of January 2009, Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks." The reference to the note is of a headline that was published by the Times. It was interpreted in terms of a timestamp and a comment on the unpredictability of fractional reserve banking. Computer expert Hal Finney was the first receiver of the first Bitcoin transaction. In the year of 2004, he was the one who created the first reusable proof-of-work system. Finney had obtained and downloaded the Bitcoin software on the same day as its release. Come the 12th of January 2009, Finney was able to receive 10 Bitcoins from Nakamoto. Other supporters were the creators of Bitcoin predecessors. These supporters were Wei Dai, creator of B-Money, and Nick Szabo, the creator of BitGold. In the year of 2010, the first known commercial transaction using Bitcoin was undertaken. This happened when programmer Laszlo Hanyecz bought 2 Papa John's pizzas for a price of 10,000 Bitcoin. Today, 10,000 Bitcoin is worth around $500 million. Blockchain analysts have estimated that Nakamoto had been able to mine around 1 million bitcoins, before giving the network alert key and control of the code repository to Gavin Andresen, and then disappearing in the year of 2010. Andresen was later able to achieve the position in being lead developer at the Bitcoin Foundation. He then worked to disperse the control. This move was able to give way to opportunity for controversy and to develop the future path of Bitcoin. Are you learning some new facts on Bitcoin? If you are, then be sure to leave a like on this video and visit the TheBizPage channel for more valuable content. For more information, then read the video description below. In the year of 2011, the share price started at just 30 cents per Bitcoin. Throughout the year, the price rose to $5.27 for the year. Then, on the 8th of June in the same year, the price rose to $31.50, meaning any Bitcoin owners were already making some profit. In the following month, the price dropped back to $11. In the next 2 months, it fell to $7.80, and then $4.77. This was the first rise and fall of the price. A year later in 2012, the starting price for Bitcoin was at $5.27. By the 9th of January, the Bitcoin price was up at $7.38, however it soon fell back by 49% to a price of $3.80. This event happened over a time period of 16 days. On the 17th of August in the same year, the price then increased to $16.41. It then fell by 57% to $7.10 in a time period of 3 days. Within September of 2012, the Bitcoin Foundation was founded in order to help promote Bitcoin's development and uptake, so more potential people could buy into the cryptocurrency. The next year in 2013, the price had begun at $13.30. In March of the same year, the blockchain encountered a split into 2 different chains with various rules. This was only temporary and occurred due to a bug in version 0.8 of the Bitcoin software. For a period of around 6 hours, 2 blockchains were running and each had their own version of the transaction history. This history came from at the time of the split. After this event, the operation was returned back to normal when the majority of the network was downgraded to the 0.7 version of the Bitcoin software. This also followed by selecting the backwards compatible version of the blockchain. It was in the year 2014 where the starting prices had increased by a fair amount. The price started at $770 and encountered a drop to $314 in the same year. It was on the 30th of July, where donations in Bitcoin were accepted by the Wikimedia Foundation. In the year of 2015, prices started at $314 and rose to a high of $434 for that year. The following year in 2016, the prices carried on rising and was able to reach a price of $998 by the 1st of January 2017. At the beginning of 2017 the prices started at $998 and had risen up to $13,412.44 by the time the following year came. The all-time high for Bitcoin back then was $19,783.06 per Bitcoin on the 17th of December 2017. It was this high that enabled many Bitcoin owners to make large profits and even become millionaires. In the first half of 2018, Bitcoin's price was on the move and continued to differ in price. The prices were between $11,480 and $5,848. Come the 1st of July of 2018, the price was sitting at $6,343. Fast forwarding to the year of 2019, on the 1st of January, the price was at $3,747, which meant there was a 72% decrease from the 2018 value and 81% decrease from the all-time high back then. Going into the year of 2020, in February the price was above $10,000. However, it soon fell again, and by the 13th of March in the same year, Bitcoin fell below a value $4,000 during a market sell-off. In November of 2020, the company of PayPal made an announcement regarding Bitcoin payments. They had stated that PayPal users within the US could buy, hold, or sell Bitcoin using PayPal as a payment method. At the end of the same month, a new high was reached for Bitcoin, which was at a price of $19,860, which was more than the high from December of 2017. On the 19th of January 2021, the richest man in the world, Elon Musk, had placed #Bitcoin within his Twitter profile and stating, in retrospect, it was inevitable. This mention of Bitcoin caused the price to briefly rise, and the price came to being $37,299. 6 days later, of the 25th of January, the business intelligence company of MicroStrategy announced that it would continue to buy Bitcoin. On the same date, around 70,784 Bitcoins were held by the company, and they were worth around $2.38 billion in total. The next month, on the 8th of February, an announcement was made by Tesla that it had purchased $1.5 billion in Bitcoin as an investment and made plans to start accepting Bitcoin as a payment method for automobiles and other Tesla products. This was able to push the Bitcoin price to a new all-time, with a price of $44,141. Bitcoin has surely been on quite a journey and has attracted the attention of many businesses, investors, and entrepreneurs. Do you think Bitcoin will reach $100,000? Let me know in the comment section below. If you did find this video informative, then be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the BizPage channel for more valuable content on the way. Thank you for watching.